Hi, in this video I'm just going to do a basic elbow, just a forward elbow, okay? The part to hit with your elbow is the actual elbow tip here, okay? Not in front on these 2 inches. So a lot of people when they elbow at the front of the elbow and they get here. We actually want to get the bone and the tip end, so this is what's burying in, whereas the head, whether it's the body, okay? And we want to actually go in, we don't want to scrape off, we actually want to go in, okay? So we hit with the elbow. Okay, so from there, if I have this pad up from there, so basic elbow, okay, rotating through your hips, pushing off the floor, okay, from here, bringing the hand in and then hitting with the spike of the elbow, push, and then hitting. Okay, from here you want the power to go forward, not spin around. So yes, you're spinning in a circle to go around to generate the hip power, but you're accelerating that force going forward. Push, here. You want to be careful that you're not slipping and leaning off to the side. Push. Okay, that's just a basic way to do an elbow. And then from here, doesn't matter if you did it in the lead, push, you do the same. Whether this hip was back, push, it'd be the same. Wouldn't matter if you were stepping to a side, push, as you delivered the elbow. Okay, so that's a basic way to elbow. And from here for self-defense, the best way is when you're hitting somebody, not to let them get away. So this to represent the head, the hair, the jacket, the shirt. Okay, so you'd hold them still unless you elbow, push, so they can't get away. So this way, when you hit the target, not only do they get the power and the force going forward, if I hit this target, it goes away. If I hold it still, it's like a car crash, 2 things collide together. So I pull it into the target. My next favorite one is to do a collision hit. On the back of the pad, I'm going to collect the pad and elbow it at the same time, so I get this happening, here. This would represent hitting the back of the head, collecting the head as I hit at the same time. So I'm here, I'm in front, bang, and I collect. Okay, so if you imagine, this is the back of the head, that's a hit, I go behind, relax the hand, and then whip it. Okay, at the same time I do that, I put the elbow in, push, and I hit, push, and I hit. Don't want a big wind up, it's just catch it, push. So if you're here in front, it's just that. Just straight out, loop and catch. And then from there, you bring them straight to the elbow. Even with this, you wouldn't need a big wind up. Just nice and short, whether it's upwards or sideways. Bridge of the nose, eye socket, jaw, neck. Okay, it's all good, okay? Or later on, you can start using it to go to the body or limb destruction. So I can step off to the side as I hit the torso, or I can start hitting the biceps. So I start damaging and taking away the weapon. So if I'm in front, from here, and the posturing up, and I think they could hit with this, and I can take that arm out. Now I can follow up from here. Okay, so elbows are a great tool. You can do them extreme close quarters, medium, but not this far, okay? Basic idea is if you can reach with an elbow, hit them with the elbow, because it hurts more and does more damage in the hand. So I'm here, instead of hitting them with the palm, hit them with the elbow. If you're this distance, then hit them with the palm. Okay, so it's learning those ranges. Okay, and that concludes the video on the basic elbow strike.